Where our milk comes from: lush meadows, fresh spring water, pure air. These are the best conditions for our cows to provide for the highest quality of milk. Plants are the basis for the formation of milk in the cow's udder. Mountain herbs, fresh green fodder, clover, plants growing on meadows in the summer, and hay in the winter. The farmer's day work starts early in the morning, every day, 365 days a year. The milk is delivered by our more than 1,100 local mountain farmers, each tending for an average of 8 cows. The cows are milked in modern milking parlours. The milk is then immediately stored in chilled, hygienic containers until collection. The milk is collected every day. Our farmers have guaranteed to keep their animals in a species-appropriate environment and to use feed free of genetic engineering. All the farmers have been registered at the dairy plant, and during the collection of the milk, samples are regularly taken on the spot in order to assess the quality of the milk. Afterwards, the fresh raw milk is directly taken to Brixen, to the Brimi dairy plant. The Brixen-based dairy plant was founded in 1969 after the merger of the two former dairy plants of Schaabs and Brixen. Initially, the main products were hard cheese and butter. In 1977, headquarters were moved to today's location in Vaan, and in 1978 they started to specialize in the production of mozzarella. After a period of extensive renewal and extension works, the new headquarters in Vaan were put into operation in 2008, guaranteeing higher standards in terms of production and a great working atmosphere. Today, the Milchhof Brixen Brimi is specialized in the production of fresh milk, a variety of fresh cheeses, mozzarella, mascarpone, ricotta, and butter. Before being further processed, the raw milk delivered on a daily basis is thoroughly tested. Milk flows are controlled and precisely guided by computers. In the modern in-house laboratory, the delivered milk is tested for its fat and protein contents before being released for further processing. The first step is pasteurization, which means that the milk, after being heated to 74 degrees Celsius for 20 seconds, is immediately cooled down again so that it can be kept for a few days. Then the milk is packaged into cardboard boxes. The fresh milk is checked in terms of weight on a regular basis, and then it is packed into cages and delivered directly to the shops, every day, from the farmer to the refrigerated counter in just 24 hours. Spot checks are carried out to test the final products in the laboratory for comprehensive bacteria count and enterobacteria as well as taste. Fresh local milk provides for a pleasure free of genetic engineering, supplying many important nutrients like lactoprotein, milk fat, lactose, calcium, magnesium, various vitamins, mineral nutrients, and trace elements. Its source product is pasteurized cheese milk. In the cheesemaker, rennet is added, thus inducing coagulation. Proper control of the pH is necessary in this period of processing. After coagulation, the curd is cut, which causes whey to drain, resulting in a semi-finished product called cagliata. In special machines, in Italian they are called filatrice, it is kneaded at 65 degrees Celsius until it has become a soft and stretchable pastry, the so-called pasta filata. Afterwards, the fresh cheese is molded into small balls, large balls, and loaves of various sizes, and cooled in drinking water. The cooling water is regularly checked for waterborne germs and correct temperature. The small mozzarella balls, called mozzarelline, are weighed and filled into brine-filled cups. The large balls are individually packaged into tubular bags filled with prepared brine. The loaves are packaged into plastic wraps. Brimi Fior di Latte, the mozzarella for the gourmet. Made of South Tyrolean milk according to an original recipe. Going through various production lines, the mozzarella cheese is transported into the fully automated packaging machine and packaged into cardboard boxes, put on pallets, and then taken to the dispatch storage. The entire production process from raw milk to the final product is monitored. In the laboratory, tearing resistance and texture are tested. The texture of the cheese should be similar to chicken meat. Afterwards, it is tested in terms of taste. Due to excellent milk quality and perfect processing, Brimi has been awarded numerous prizes in the last few years. As a special product for pizzerias, the mozzarella loaves are cut into cubes or strips before being weighed and filled into bags. Mozzarella is perfectly in line with the trend towards light, modern and healthy food. And then, what's pizza without mozzarella? Sharps is the brand name of our quality butter. For 1 kilogram of butter, 21 to 25 liters of raw milk are needed. The source product for butter is cream. The cream is pasteurized, quickly cooled down and then buttered. In the butter making machine, which is similar to a giant mixer holding some 1,000 liters of liquid, cream is churned. A liquid, so-called buttermilk, is separated from the butter. After being washed and churned once more, the butter is ready to be packaged into the classic aluminium foil. In the laboratory, the spreadability of the butter is tested. Butter is a natural product and a most significant part of our diet. Not only does it supply us with energy for the whole day, it is also part and parcel of our breakfasts and in the kitchen. Mascarpone is made of a mixture of milk and cream thickened to a fat content of 42%. Afterwards, the mixture is heated to 90 degrees Celsius and milk acid is added, which causes the mass to coagulate. Before being filled into cups, the mascarpone is homogenized. Our quality mascarpone is very mild, smelling of fresh milk. In the laboratory, a tiramisu cream containing eggs is prepared and its stability is tested. The consistency of the mass must not change, or change only slightly in the course of a few hours. Mascarpone is also used as an ingredient in desserts. For example, tiramisu. In the cheese-making process, whey is obtained as a byproduct. It is rich in valuable protein, lactose and mineral nutrients, and it is the source product for ricotta. Whey, along with 10% of milk, is heated to 90 degrees, and the addition of milk acid results in heat precipitation, which causes whey proteins to separate from whey. The ricotta then flows on the draining line for further draining. Samples are taken on a regular basis. Afterwards, the ricotta is homogenized and filled in cups. In the laboratory, texture and taste of the cheese are tested. Ricotta is very popular as a spread, but it is also often used in cooking, for example as a filling, in baking, etc. Nature provides the materials for authentic and tasty food. Our bio-farmers contribute to the preservation of natural resources and deliver the fresh milk for Brimi Bio products. The natural fresh milk for our products comes from selected mountain farms run by our members. They work in accordance with strict organic standards, certified by the Bico Tirol Institute, which also monitors the process. Brimi Bio stands for controlled origin and the highest quality products. Quality organic milk with natural fat content and full-bodied flavor is the ideal basis for a healthy diet, fresh daily in the 750 milliliter pack. The bio mozzarella made with pure and nutritious organic milk has convinced gourmets too. All Brimi products are stored temporarily in modern high-rack storage areas at 4 degrees. They are commissioned according to our customers' orders and loaded. Brimi products are sold all over Europe, but they are also delivered freshly in the near surroundings every day. The unique natural landscape, our farmers and their cattle, are the main features of Brimi. It is due to high quality consciousness throughout the company and to our competent and highly motivated employees that we are able to achieve the excellent quality of our products.